So I'm going to do it from here. So you're going to stay connected. You're going to kind of stretch your hands into your feet. And from the feet, you're just going to kind of go your body scan through each body part, connecting the ground from the feet, ankles, calves, knees, thighs. And about the thighs, the hands are going to start to rise up to the waist, the stomach, chest, shoulders, elbows, wrists, and fingertips, and opening the body vertically. And then here, you're going to open the chest and the back, scanning around the crown, and then melting all the fluids from the crown, melting any tension down through the neck, and then down the body this way, slowly and connected. On the way down, the hand should be about 6 inches from the body, not any further. You don't want the mind to disperse outwards. You want to keep the mind inside the body. Here on the way down, you're going to fold your hips and melt down, keeping your hands inwards toward the body, palms in towards the body. And what we're looking for is we're looking on the way down to start to melt all the fluids inside of our body down to release any tension, any blockages down to the feet. Okay? So I'll send that to you today. And just practice along